Now for these questions, we need to subtract a decimal from a whole number. Now we can use column subtraction for this, but we need to think really carefully about the place values in our question. Remember, the digit before the decimal point is the ones digit, and the digits after the decimal point are the tenths and hundredths digit. So when we're writing out this question as a column subtraction, we need to make sure the one whole or 1 1 is written directly underneath the 4 ones in our question, so that our place values are lined up. Now 4 is the same as 4.00. You can always put a decimal point and then zeros on the end of a whole number. 4.00 is the same as 4, so we haven't changed the question. All the .00 tells us is that we don't have any tenths or hundredths in our number. Now we copy down the decimal point into our answer, and we can subtract using column subtraction, so now working from right to left. We can't do 0 minus 5, and if we look across to the tenths column, we have a 0, so we need to go all the way over to our ones column, 1 less, 1 in front, so now we have 10 tenths, 1 less is 9, and that gives us 1 in front of our 0 in our hundredths, so we have 10 hundredths. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so our answer is 2.85. Next, we have 7 minus 2.25. So we've written the 2 ones from 2.25 directly underneath the 7 ones that we're subtracting from. Now 7 is the same as 7.00. We copy down the decimal point, and now we can't do 0 minus 5, and we can't exchange with the tenths, so we go all the way over to the ones, 1 less, 1 in front, then again 1 less, 1 in front. Now 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 6 minus 2 is 4, which gives us 4.75. Finally, we have 12 minus 6.01. So we have the 6 ones underneath the 2 ones from 12. Now 12 is the same as 12.00. We copy the decimal point down into our answer, and now again we can't do 0 minus 1, we can't exchange with the tenths, so we go all the way over to the ones, 1 less, 1 in front, and again 1 less, 1 in front. Now 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, we can't do 1 minus 6, so go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front, 11 minus 6 is 5, and 0 minus nothing is 0, so our answer is 5.99. Thank you so much for watching, I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now, I'll see you in the next video.